Hello smart designers, this is the Georgette Dupatta and in this video I'm showing you how you can use the simple multi-purpose presser foot that is available with your automatic zigzag machine, and using zigzag stitch how you can have the best quality perfect rolled hem, which is also called Picot. Okay, so you can see the effect how it is looking like, and this is the actual Picot foot which is having a groove, and because of this groove you make perfect road hem. But in this video we are not using this foot, so even if you don't have this foot, no need to spend your 600-700 rupees something on this original Usha Genome presser foot, or even if you have Singer or any other machine, no need, you can use the simple foot, right? So here in this video I will show you how to fold the fabric, what exactly is this dupatta is about, and how to get this kind of effect. Rather you can have a much better effect, how you can do that. And secondly, you can generally with the original that rolled hem foot or picot foot, you can picot the thin fabrics or medium fabrics, but the technique I am showing in this video, you can roll hem even the thicker fabrics. So even you are making dresses for your daughter or any dresses for yourself where you want roll hem but the fabric is too thick, you can use this technique. First of all, do your sewing machine settings. I am having this Usha Genome Stitch Magic sewing machine which is about 12 years old. Whatever sewing machine you have, whether you have Usha, Singer, any machine you have, you can do these settings itself and still make this picot on any kind of dress. Alright, so here this is the basic setting you can see on my machine. We start with thread tension first. Okay, so the thread tension that has to be on 2 or 3. I'm keeping in between. Fabric is Georgette and I'm using one ready-made dupatta, but still there was some untidiness, so I need to do this stitch. The dial is on zigzag. This is design dials on zigzag, and stitch length on 3. Stitch width I'm keeping on 4. This you can adjust as per the fabric and the finishing that you require. After the setting, now you put your multi-purpose foot. This is generally fit in your machine. In all the machines, you will get this. Now you get your fabric. If your dupatta is plain, you are doing it for the first time. See, this is the plain side. Either you have to roll a bit or you have to fold twice. The purpose is the rolled hem, when we do the stitch, there would be very neat finishing if you fold the fabric. This is ready-made dupatta. I'm telling you this because it had one kind of stitch, but that is not very neat and thread are coming out. So I cut these untidy threads. Now start from the very beginning. Keep the fabric, the fold in middle of the both these joints and hold both the thread together. See how I've folded them. Now when you start the machine, pull the thread from the back slightly. Don't pull too much, just slightly you have to pull from the back. Just support, basically you have to support that. And from the front side you can see the fabric I've bent up outwards. That's in middle of the presser foot. So you can see the effect. When you zigzag the stitch, the fabric, the stitch rolls on the fold and stitches very nicely. It is picoted. It is rolled and then hemmed. Likewise, you can see, I show you the original this picot foot. Why I tell you again and again to bend the fabric. See, there is a groove in middle of this picot foot, and when you do it with a foot, then it makes a round on the edge of the fabric. And because of this groove, you have to pay extras 700 rupees extra because of just that groove. If you don't have the foot, don't worry. This is how you can still get that groove look. You have to just keep the fabric up, like slightly up, don't forget this, and just mind the stitch length and width also, that it is covering the this fold completely. In case you don't get very neat look in the first go, then you can repeat the process, or you can keep the stitch width or length less, so that way you can see the final look. See, I'm satisfied with this look and I'm doing it for the first time. I had almost finished doing my dupatta, but then I thought ki, okay, even I experimented for the first time and the results are so good, so let's share it with others also. So whosoever is maybe wondering that how whether it is possible, because even I was being a little lazy today. So even if I had that pressure foot, but I didn't have the screwdriver right now, so I thought ki, okay, let me try with this. And I'm so happy that I could discover this different way of doing it, like without even press that pico foot I could do it. So I'm happy to share this method with you. And if you want to know more about this Usha Janome Stitch Magic Machine, you can visit stitchingmall.com. I will share the link below. And if you want to know more about the reviews and about many tutorials, many things that I've been sharing for many years, you can check this Stitching Mall channel that's having videos in English. Or if you want to watch videos in Hindi, there is another channel, Stitching Mall Hindi. There also you can check more of my videos. I hope you like this video. Please do let me know in the comments if it had been helpful for you, because your comments give me motivation to share with you more. Thank you so much. Keep stitching. Happy stitching. See you in the next video.